Hello and welcome to another video on Excel. In today's video we will learn how to use pivot table in Excel. Let us assume we have this particular sales register. We have the header for each column. For pivot table to work, the table need to have a header row and also ensure that there are no blank rows. Let us assume that we need party-wise sales summary from this sales register, that is, sales made to each party. Instead of using filter and checking each party one by one, we will use the pivot table to sort our problem. Select the entire data. Go to Insert tab and select Pivot Table. Create Pivot Table window will open. Select the entire table range. Select the place where you want to place the pivot table. You can place the pivot table in the same sheet or in a new sheet as per your choice. First select the party column and then quantity and amount column. Now the party-wise sales data is ready. Now let us verify. Let us filter and verify the data of particular party and check whether the summary created in the pivot table is correct or wrong. As you can see, the sales amount for the selected party S coming to 793, which is exactly what is coming as per the pivot table. You can move the fields by dragging it across the areas to get the results as desired. I hope you understood the process. Please subscribe to get more videos on pivot table and other Excel functions.